My other inspiration for building the grain mill was to crack a bunch of black walnuts I had foraged. However, I quickly realized the way I designed the roller configuration would not work because putting a round nut between two rollers just causes the second roller to roll backwards. In order for this to work, I had to make a lobed roller that would grip the walnuts and force them into the second roller. That is what we'll look at in this video. greensandmachines.com. I had two options for making this roller. I could start with a round piece of material and mill a bunch of slots in the sides, or two, I could start with a rectangular piece, drill a bunch of holes in it, then cut it out with the bandsaw and turn the outside on the lathe. I chose the second option because it sounded like more fun. Here's the diagram of the dimensions I used. Firstly, I set it up in the mill and drilled a pilot hole for the center hole. Next, opening it up with a larger drill. I then bored out the hole to 3/4 of an inch. Here checking the bore with the shaft material I will be using. Next, I started drilling the holes for the hole pattern. I drilled these out to 7/16 of an inch. After that, the part was rotated and I drilled and tapped set screw holes in the sides. I then cut out the rough shape of the roller on the bandsaw. Next, I turned the shaft for the roller using that scrap boring bar from the previous photo. And here's that shaft inserted into the roller. I then secured the set screws onto the shaft and turned the outer diameter smooth in the lathe. This was a fun operation with a lot of interrupted cutting. Lastly, I milled set screw flats on the ends of the shaft for the set screw collars. I made it so this roller is easily interchangeable with the original one. And now we're done, ready to crack some nuts.